Tigas naman ito. Yeah.
It's like a chef making knife fish. Knife,
Yeah. Ouch.
right?
Yeah.
Then smash it so hard. You will almost break that chopping board. What are you doing there? Is that knife sharp?
Yes.
Okay.
Pasensya na po hindi po kasi ako expert.
They're cutting the fish. Can you stop making very loud noise?
Okay.
Cover my ears, okay?
Okay. Sorry.
And I might also break the chopping board.
Okay po.
I don't want the chopping board to break, right?
Yes. We don't want that. Paano ko tatanggalin to? Ay. Shit. Oh my. Grabe na talaga. Gusto lang naman kitang iluto at kainin. Awa. Oh, yes. Thank you. Alam mo, diyan ka na lang. Hindi ko na kaya. Yun lang po. Salamat. X-Men na siya. Ba't ang ginagawa ko? I'm about to season the fish. Yes. I will use the Brazilian steak chimichurri style blend, and I'm gonna also add the gravel. So dust it. Siyempre sinisin ko rin sa loob ng ulo kasi masarap yung ulo. Uy, nakalimutan ko tong part na to. So, and I also added the other seasoning, yung gravel.
Are you also gonna put some black salt and pink salt?
I will add the black salt when it's done cooking. So it's like a...
Are you gonna add some pink salt?
So I added this one also. Ayan na siya. Medyo malaki yung isda kaysa sa aking lutuan.